it's me down here. Today we're gonna play the water jump challenge. Seems pretty hard. I have a water bucket. Oh, I forgot to put my water bucket in my hand. So it's time. Oh my. Okay. So guys, I fell. I'm gonna pause it for a second. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna try and do it one last time. If we don't, I'll pause the video for a sec. It's really hard. Oh yes. Guys, I'm gonna pause the video and get to. Oh, I have one here. So I'm gonna pause the video so I get out. Okay? Because it's kind of hard to get out. So guys, this is my skin and it's time to start. Two water buckets. And go in creative mode at least. Oh my. Let me just respawn. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed and see you next step. Bye. Sorry.